Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sayote with ground pork. Start by washing and peeling 2 medium sayote, then carefully cut them into 1-inch cubes. Next, mince 3 cloves of garlic and chop 1 medium onion to get your aromatics ready. Finally, ensure you have about 1/2 pound of ground pork on hand. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth cooking process, laying the foundation for a delicious meal. Prepping beforehand makes the actual cooking much quicker and more enjoyable. Now heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your minced garlic and chopped onion, sautéing them until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, introduce the ground pork to the pan. Cook it thoroughly, breaking it apart with your spoon until it's beautifully browned. This step builds a rich flavor base for our dish. Next, add the cubed sayote directly into the pan with the browned ground pork. Pour in 1 cup of water or broth to create a simmering liquid. Season the mixture with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, stirring everything well to combine. Cover the pan and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the sayote becomes tender. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, check the sayote for tenderness. It should be soft enough to bite through easily but still hold its shape, not mushy. Taste the dish and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt and pepper if you feel it needs a little extra something. Once perfected, your sayote with ground pork is ready to be served hot. It pairs wonderfully with a side of steamed rice for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.